IPRs. So the very basic question is, what is the basic theory of justification of IPRs? The basic theory says that in order to justify intellectual property, the basic theory is that everyone has a natural property right on his ideas. So what that means? It means the creation always comes from the efforts and creation of its author or inventor. Now another important question is, what are various justification theories regarding IPRs? So there are basically three justification theories. These are reward for labor, personality based theory, and incentive oriented theory. So let's briefly discuss these three. So the first is reward of labor. So this theory says that inventors deserve to its intellectual work as a reward because he has done efforts by which he has created that product. So this theory says that the new products always derive from the use of one's intelligence, skills, efforts and resources, and therefore these must be given to the person who has invented that intellectual property, as long as that person wishes and desires. Another theory is personality based theory, which says that the intellectual works are an extension of creators' personalities. That means it reflects their character. Therefore, creator must have control over his creation, which ultimately provide them dignity, reputation and personhood. And the third justification theory is incentive oriented theory, which says that IPRs should be given to individuals because it stimulates innovation and also serves public interests rather than inventors' individual interests. So this theory says that if products could be easily copied without penalties, then there would be no incentive to investment which was done in original products. So I hope you have now thorough understanding of this topic of justification of IPRs.